how to create and send a group text on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, if you want to create a group and then send a text, then head over to your messages app and then you will see the bubble like icon on the bottom right. Tap on it. Now from here you can add the recipients. You'll see plus icon, just tap on it and then just choose the people that you want to add on the group and then hit done. Now here in the message bar just type whatever you want to send and then hit the send option. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.